Ridgewood is a beautiful 28 feet dual-lofted tiny house by Timbercraft Tiny Homes. The country-style home features green board-and-batten siding and exposed white rafter tails with a standing seam metal roof. As you step inside, you'll be immediately struck by the warm and inviting living area, featuring beautiful wood paneling and a cozy seating area. The natural wood elements create a sense of warmth and comfort that makes this tiny home feel like a true retreat from the outside world. The built-in seating area in the living room is extra deep so it can be used for sleeping, plus it has storage space underneath. The living room also has a bookcase on the back side of the storage staircase. Moving into the kitchen, you'll be amazed at how much style and function can be packed into such a small space. The modern kitchen features sleek stainless steel appliances, a spacious countertop, and plenty of storage space, making it easy to whip up delicious meals and entertain guests. Kitchen is equipped with a custom concrete countertop, full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, gas range with hood, and pantry storage. Next to the kitchen is a table with booth seats in front of a round window. Above the main area are dual skylights. But that's not all. The sofa is cleverly connected to a built-in bookcase that offers plenty of storage for books, magazines, and other items. On the side of the stairs, you'll find a series of lockers that provide additional storage options. These lockers are perfect for storing shoes, bags, and other items, keeping your living space tidy and clutter-free. And when it's time to relax, you'll love the dual lofts, which provide plenty of space for sleeping, lounging, or working. Whether you're looking for a cozy weekend getaway or a full-time home on wheels, the Ridgewood is sure to impress. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this stunning tour of one of the most beautiful tiny homes around. The built-in lamps are another standout feature of the Ridgewood tiny house. These lamps are strategically placed throughout the space, providing ample illumination and creating a warm and welcoming environment. Whether you're reading a book or enjoying a meal with friends, these lamps will ensure that you have the perfect amount of light. But it's the abundance of windows that really sets this tiny house apart. From the large windows in the living room to the skylight above, natural light floods the space, creating a bright and airy environment. One of the standout features of this tiny home is the beautifully designed bathroom, which is located at the back of the house and boasts a luxurious bathtub that is sure to impress. But the real highlight of this bathroom is the bathtub. Look at its custom legs made by the master, and the size itself is impressive, isn't it? As you step inside, you'll be greeted by the sight of a stunning bathtub that is perfect for soaking away the stresses of the day. The bathtub is surrounded by beautiful tile work and has a large window that provides plenty of natural light and a stunning view of the outdoors. As you make your way through the house, you'll be amazed at the amount of space and style that has been packed into such a small footprint. The living area is cozy and welcoming, with comfortable seating area. The kitchen is sleek and modern, with all the amenities you need to prepare delicious meals. So if you're looking for inspiration for your own tiny house build, or simply want to admire the stunning features of this luxurious home on wheels, be sure to check out this captivating YouTube